Take a ride in the 2024 Sierra 2500 HD. The GMC Sierra 2500 HD has all your workhorse basics covered. No worries here. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, tow hitch, lane departure warning, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, Bluetooth, power steering, driver airbag. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.